Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, chef at Pasta Evangelist, and today I will show you how to make cacio and pepe. What ingredient you need for cacio and pepe? So, few ingredients only: pepper, pecorino, and the pasta. Today we go bucatini. You can also go for peachy, or why not, even a simple spaghetti. It's important though to use dry pasta as it contains a lot of starch and it will help you to get a really nice and creamy cacio and pepe. So the pasta water, it's on. In a couple of minutes we are ready to cook bucatini. In the meantime, let's create the sauce. So as I say, I'm using pecorino. It's always nice to use pecorino not too aged, as it contains more milk, so it's more creamy and it's going to get a really nice result. So what you have to do is to simply grate the pecorino cheese. And then we leave it aside. At the moment, I will show you guys how to then create a really nice and cream to then add to the bucatini. And let's toast a little bit the black pepper. And then we are going to use a pestle and mortar to crush the black pepper. So we are now ready to cook the pasta. Hot boiling water. Don't forget to add a good tablespoon of salt. And we are ready with bucatini. Now, in the meantime, the pasta is cooking. And let me tell you something about the pasta. Always check on the package how many minutes it says. If it's 9 minutes, I will expect you to remove the pasta about 7 minutes. So you leave the last 3 minutes to cook it all together, and I will show you now. So, and in the meantime that the pasta is cooking, what we wanted to grab also is just a few spoons of water, which is going to create the creamy sauce. So I have mixed the cheese with just a little bit of water in order to get this nice and creamy consistency, pretty firm. And we are ready then to mix with the bucatini. So the pepper that we have prepared before, we crushed all the black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit in the pan. The amount of pepper, it's really how much spicy you like your dish, how strong you like the flavor of pepper. So if you like more, just do it, don't worry. And we are going to add now, from the water that the pasta is cooking, we are going to add a few tablespoons so we can start making this amazing cacio pepe sauce. So we add a little bit of water and let's just put it on a medium, low medium heat, so in order to then mix with the bucatini. Add the very al dente bucatini to the pan, leave it to cook for a couple of minutes in the pasta water and pepper. You will see all the starch coming out from the pasta and you will have a nice and creamy sauce. Now, remove from the heat and you're ready to add the pecorino cheese. I always suggest to remove completely from the heat, so the cheese will be nice and creamy. Make sure you like, subscribe, for more pasta recipe.